Okay, we're going for a quick test drive here. We have 27,761 miles on this. It smells brand new in here. Very, very clean. Absolutely gorgeous. This has a really good turning radius. Shifts nice and smooth. Of course, it's a Denali. It is nice and quiet in here. The brakes feel good. Just getting on it there so you can hear it shift. Everything's nice and smooth. Drives really nice. Alright, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections, and just the overall condition of the vehicle. Looking at this wheel, I don't see any curb rash. Here on the fender, you have some sort of transfer mark right here. Sure, that can be polished out. It looks like it's just on the surface. Then you have two little white specks here. Little scuff there. Looking at the mirror, overall in great condition. A-pillar looks good. You do have the PPF here on the door edge protecting it. Got the protector here on the edge. And looking at this wheel, I don't see any curb rash. Looks really good. Have a couple markings right here. That pillar looks nice. Quarter panel looks good. A couple small markings here. Got a little one right there. This is just tar and splatter that can be wiped off. All right, looking at the front end, we'll start with the hood. You do have a couple scuffs right here. Got a couple right there. Overall, that looks good. Here on the headlights, those look nice. You're gonna have a couple little rock impacts here and there. Got a couple chips. Got one right there. A few chips here. Some of this is just bug splatter. All that looks good. So just a couple rock impacts, a few little rock chips. Other than that, that front end looks good. And then scanning the engine bay here. All looks good. And then here on the underhood liner, you do have a rip right there. Other than that, this all looks good. All right, looking at the driver's side, here on the fender, that upper section looks good. All of that looks nice. Looks really good. Here on the wheel, you're gonna have a couple little chips just from everyday driving, things like that, but I don't see any curb rash. Side mirror looks good. A-pillar looks nice. You got that PPF here on that door edge. The rest of that looks good. I got the door keypad code here that was added. The rest of that looks nice, and I don't see any curb rash on this wheel, just a couple small rock chips. And then you have the power running boards. All right, here on the back side, that looks good. Couple little markings here and there. This is just glue residue left over from the previous dealer emblem that didn't get wiped off. So that's not scratches or anything. We do have a little scuff right here. See a little scratch there. And then looking in here, you do have the protector here on the back of the seat and a little bit here on these little flaps. Got some storage in here. And then these are power folding third row. And then you have push button folding second row. And then the outlet here. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker and it smells brand new in here. All of that stitching looks amazing. Memory seating. Wood grain looks good. I don't see any scuffs there. Now it is missing the floor mats. We are ordering WeatherTech mats for it. A couple little scuffs here and there. Looking at that bolster, that looks nice. That all looks really good. Looking at the steering wheel, those buttons look nice. All of this has a matte finish to it. Upper section looks good. The heads-up display, auto start stop, 360 camera, parking sensors, lane alert, all of that good stuff. Fully loaded here. big screen. Got the wireless charging pad. And this is the power sliding console. Push the button up here and that console slides all the way back. Here on the back left door panel, all of that's in great condition. That bottom looks good. That bolster looks nice. Upper section looks good. This is just a little bit of detailed product. That'll wipe out. Screens look good. Very nice back here. All right, checking out the passenger panel here. That looks good. That stitching is perfect. Overall, that door panel looks amazing. I don't see any flaws. Like I said, we're gonna get some WeatherTech mats here. That bolster looks good, same here. Seats have that nice matte finish to them. All of that's clean. I see a tiny scuff here on the glove box. Upper section looks good. All of that looks nice. It's really not much to pick apart on this side. It looks brand new. Here on the back right door panel, all of that looks good. Stitching is perfect. Lower section looks nice. Tiny scuff here. Got the rubber mat here. Headphones. Got the media center. That looks really good. These seats are heated. That stitching looks good. All of that looks nice. And then to get in the back, you just pull these handles right here. Do it again. And then looking back here, all of this looks amazing. Smells brand new. And then you just take this handle, pull the seat back. And then looking at the steps, you have the integrated LED light that illuminates. Looks really good.